Oh, geez. I, I've been sitting here, guys, and excuse me, my stuttering and all that stuff, but I'm very enthusiastic because of all of you, man, and the way that this all works, and I can't believe that it's working. You know what I mean? So I want to take a minute, and I should have done this a while ago, and I just
take your mouse and click the button. Won't you subscribe to me? Lockouts providing the content that you see. I'm visually stimulating your mind, 1 minute at a time.
It's not that I haven't had I don't know how to say thank you. You know what I mean? I still don't. So I just finally said, fuck it. I'm going to click record and just tell everybody, for real, man. No, I'm not going to edit. I mean, I'm going to edit the video, but I'm not going to be. This is me sincerely. I'm telling you guys, man, like, when you finally find a passion for something that you do, right? You're like, am I going to be able to make something like this work? Is it actually going to happen? Like, are people going to find me interesting? And it's, I've never had a problem making friends or buddies my entire life. I've always been kind of a people person. I was very successful doing door-to-door sales. I got a great way to be enthusiastic about a product, or the way that I represent myself, or my brand, or the way that I try to be real with people. And when I made this YouTube thing, I was like, I'm just gonna try to do. I watched so many other people doing their stuff and their take on it, and I was like, there's got to be more dudes out here like me that just don't want, the thank you so much, this is how you play, and it just, they seemed fake to me, you know what I mean? Or they didn't seem real. They seemed very over appreciative of or just they're mind blown that people were even watching them. And I was like, man, I'm such a relatable dude. For sure, there's got to be dudes out there, or ladies and gentlemen, kids of all ages, 18 plus, because that's generally that's how we roll. So I just wanted to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. My wife is super duper proud. She is a nurse, by the way, with COVID-19 happening and the social distancing and all that stuff. She is right on the front lines in the hospital, and I'm very proud of her, and I'm very proud of everything that she does for our community. And I'm super proud of my YouTube community and all you guys supporting me. And, I didn't think that we were going to get here. I was like, dude, it's a hard market to try to break into in YouTube. I'm not a big fella by any means. We haven't grown, to where it's like, oh, we're doing videos where we're getting millions of views or anything like that. But we are doing way better than I even anticipated. And, I continue to want to grow. My passion and my enthusiasm grows with this. Anybody else that does stuff like this, I commend you, because it takes a lot of your time and effort to be able to do all of these things, and I haven't had the time to sincerely tell every one of you guys, good looking out, man. I appreciate you. My wife is at work right now, actually working a back shift, and I was like, man, should I wait and say thank you with her? And it's, she's definitely thankful, and I'm going to relate that to you guys through me to you guys. So thank you from her. Thank you from me. Thanks for, supporting Lockouts. We're just going to keep growing. Our next milestone, hopefully, our big goal is going to be 10,000. I'd love to see 10,000 here, sometime this summer, depending on how everybody reacts to us, right? So, if you like real dudes and you like awesome content, we do World of Warcraft guides, gaming videos, how-to class guides. I do Apex guides. I do product reviews for PC stuff and stuff like that. Everybody, each of you, individually, one by one, thank you, because every one of you guys that support me, man, is you guys are making it happen, right? So continue to stay tuned. We're going to do this multiple times a week. We might even tune this up and start doing this 4 or 5 times a week. We get a better response, I'll upload multiple times a day even, So the better the response that we get from YouTube, the community, the more support we get from everybody, and the continued support and growth that we have. Sky's the limit, baby. And I just want to say thanks, man. You guys are, every one of you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So just keep it going. I'm Lockouts, baby. Peace.
Take your mouse and click the button. Won't you subscribe to me? Lockouts providing the content that you see. I'm visually stimulating your mind, 1 minute at a time.